So now we start with the distributive determiners. As the name suggests, it is distributive, means it will distribute either, neither, each, every are the distributives. Like either here means any one of two. If you have two choices, so you have to choose any one or the both. We can use either in two senses. Either we have to choose or we have to take the both. So what do you like to have, tea or coffee? Here we are asking that you are given a choice between the two and you have to decide any one. So you will answer either will do, means any one, either tea, or you will reply like this, either will do, if you are given a choice between the two. Remember, we can plant hedges on the either side of the pavement, means this is the pavement, so we can plant the hedges on the both sides, means either sides, like this. So this is the pavement and this means on the either side means both the sides. So we can plant the hedges on the either side of the pavement. So either can be used in two senses. When you have to make the choice between the two words, two choices you have been given, and when you can use it for the both sides. So neither is used as a negative, means not the one nor the other. Neither means not the one nor the other, means which is your mobile phone, Samsung or BlackBerry? Neither. So you said इन दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं, neither. When you are given the two choices and you have been asked and your answer is no and the things are two or the object or the persons are two, so you will say neither, means इन दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. Either and neither usage now. It is either and neither take only singular countable nouns. Remember this thing, they take only singular countable nouns. So each is used to refer to the things or people separately, one by one, while every is used to refer to all the people or the things in a group. Each is referred to the things or people separately, means like if we are talking about the class, each is used to refer to things or people separately. Each of you, if I'll say each of you come one by one, means from the class one by one all the students will come to me. People separately, right? One by one. So while every is used to refer to all the people in a collectively or in a group. And if I say that each one of you will approach me one by one, that means one by one. And if I say everyone is welcome, so means you can come in a group or you can come collectively. Is it clear? The chief guest shook hands with each speaker, means how many speakers there were, he has shaken hands with the all, each one. The chief guest appreciated the efforts of every competitor. Here उसने सभी competitors, means every, collectively he has appreciated the efforts. Both each and every take a singular countable nouns and the verb following is normally singular, और जो इसका verb होता है वो भी mostly singular होता है. Like each one of them has. This is the verb has, helping verb. Each one of them. Each and every, they take the singular countable noun and the verb following is also singular. So each one of them has to attend the meeting, means everyone. Okay. Every citizen is expected to follow the rules of the constitution. Is, again here the singular, verb is singular. So each and every takes the singular countable noun and uses the verb also, that is singular. To avoid gender bias, a plural pronoun is used after each and every. So to avoid the gender bias, a plural pronoun means like each one. Here like each student. So this is the pronoun for all the students or this is the pronoun for all the people. So each student or everyone. So that is why plural pronoun is used to avoid the gender bias. Should bring their identity card to the school. Means इसमें each से ये भी clear हो गया कि हर एक को one by हर एक को लाना है. Everyone has to bring. And student उसका एक proper उसका plural pronoun भी आ गया. Sometimes each and every can be used without much difference. Each day passed like an era during the wartime. Every day passed like an era. So almost the meanings are a bit same. Sometimes it gives a different meaning, but almost the difference is very less. Each day or every day, the difference is very less. So both the things are used, both the words will be correct if we use each day or every day. Now this is exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with the following determiners: either, neither, each, every, this, that, these, those. So do you think you will be able to do it, or I should discuss this with you? Should I do this for you, or you will do it yourself? Fine, I'll do this. We will discuss this and we will write the answers. The wall should be painted on. Now just decide: either, neither, each, side, every, this, that, these, those. The wall should be painted on either sides. It can come. Either can come. Either can be used. Either side means both side. We have here read na. Pongal is celebrated every year in the month of every year. Dash house in this village has its own tale to tell. Each house. It was not an interesting match. That team played well. Neither team. Because it was not an interesting match, so means neither team. दोनों में से कोई भी टीम ने अच्छा नहीं खेला. Neither team played well. Dash students standing there are in the class 8. Those students standing there, or those students standing there are in class 8. Get your teeth cleaned every 3 months. Dash idea of yours really worked very well. Dash idea of yours really worked very well. This idea of yours really worked very well. Now we move to page number 33. I have purchased 2 blankets. Dash blanket is ideal for winter. This blanket is ideal for winter. Dash monument dates back to the 15th century. That monument in Jaipur, dash houses painted pink. Every, because Jaipur is called as the pink city, so in Jaipur every house is painted pink. She has 2 children. Dash child is interested in sports. She has 2 children. Either child is no. 2 children, either child. Neither child is interested in sports. We can call the meeting on Monday or Friday. Either day is suitable. Because we are given the choice between Monday and Friday, so both the days are suitable, so you will put here either. Dash citizen has a right to vote in a democracy. Each citizen. I selected dash books for your reference. I selected these books for your reference. Dash play by Shakespeare is read across the world even today. Dash play by Shakespeare means this play. This play by Shakespeare is read across the world even today. So we finish here. I think this is too much for you. Read this until the page number 33, exercise number 3. Read it again, try to understand it, and if you have any doubt, we will do this again. We will discuss this again tomorrow in our class. And today, don't forget to attend the Zoom meeting doubt class if you have any. So don't forget to join the class. And for homework, this is your homework and all of you have to do this, and tomorrow we are going to discuss this. Or if you will be doing this today only, so you can send me the copy of it at my personal number. You can send me the picture of this part on my personal number. I will check it. I'll be glad if you send. So for today, it is over. Thank you.